Hello, everyone. My name is Daryl Kayan, one of the product training coordinators at Wellness Living. In the following video, we're going to take a look at improvements affecting single sessions for all services. This is just the first of many exciting improvements to come as they relate to how service checkout works, making it more seamless and fluid for staff and clients. The first thing to note is that text that read as single session throughout the software has been changed to drop in, as we can see right here. Services will now behave like a regular pass when it comes to rescheduling, canceling, and returning the visit to the client's profile. One immediate effect of these changes is for when a client early cancels a service that they paid for using a drop-in. So as we can see, Elizabeth right here has an advanced booking flow booked on Thursday, January 5th at 1 p.m. She is already paid with the drop-in. I'm going to go ahead under status and mark as early cancel, and then yes, remove. As we can see, it has removed. I'm then going to go back using the app drawer to the schedule. Previously, in this scenario, you had to refund that drop-in and purchase a new one in order to reschedule them. With this release, however, no longer necessary. Their existing drop-ins will stay on their profile and can be used to pay for a booking at a new date and time, if the booking is for a service of equal or lesser value. So let's put it to practice. I'm going to go ahead and move to tomorrow, Friday, January 6th, and I'm going to go ahead and select this advanced booking flow, view attendance list. Using the search field right here, I'm going to go ahead and select that same client, Elizabeth. What we can now see is a confirmation required pop-up. So it states Elizabeth will be added to the attendance list and paid with the drop-in rate 1 left. So by pressing OK, the client has been added and has already been paid. Also, to accommodate future improvements, appointments will now be required to have a price and price type included in the backend, even if clients pay with a purchase option. So to put that to practice, I'm going to go ahead and go to the app drawer and setup. I'm then going to go to services and appointments. I'm going to go into a random one right here, follow up services. And by scrolling down to the price, so here we can see the pricing type and service price, which will be added or need to be entered when setting up an appointment, even if this selection allow clients to book this appointment only with purchase options is selected. It's important to note that clients will not see or be forced to pay that amount in this scenario.